Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, students. Hope you all are fine. Open your book at page number 19. This is our second chapter. Today we are going to discuss this. Let's start. Keep clean our surroundings. Keep clean our surroundings. Surroundings means our neighboring areas. We should keep our surroundings, our neighboring areas clean. This story tells us how to keep our surroundings clean. This story tells us how to keep our surroundings clean. What should we do to keep our surroundings clean? Okay. Sonu went to the market. He wanted to buy new clothes. He went with his mother. Sonu loved to see people in the market. Everybody was busy. Sonu went to the market. Sonu was a little boy. He went to the market. Market is a place where people gather for the purchase and sale of provisions, livestock, and other commodities. He wanted to buy new clothes. Sonu wanted to buy some new dresses. He went with his mother. He went to the market with his mother. Sonu loved to see people in the market. Sonu loved to see people in the marketplace. Everybody was busy. Everyone was busy in the market. They were shopping. Some bought shoes. Some bought clothes. Sonu saw a little boy. He was eating an ice cream. They were shopping. People do shopping. Some bought shoes, some bought clothes. Some people bought shoes and some people bought clothes. Sonu saw a little boy. At the same time, Sonu saw a little boy. He was eating an ice cream. The little boy was eating an ice cream. Can I have an ice cream too? He asked his mother. Sonu asked his mother, can I have an ice cream too? Sure, his mother said. His mother said, sure, yes. She bought one for him. She bought an ice cream for her son. Sonu's mother bought an ice cream for her son. Remember to put the plastic cup in the bin, said his mother. His mother said, put the plastic cup in the bin. After finishing the ice cream, put the plastic cup into the dustbin. Yes, I will, said Sonu. Sonu said, yes, I will. Sonu soon finished eating the ice cream. Then he saw the little boy again. Sonu finished his ice cream soon. Then he saw the little boy again. He saw him throwing the cup on the road. Sonu saw the little boy again, and he saw the little boy was throwing the cup on the road. Don't do that, said Sonu. Sonu said to the little boy, don't do that. Don't throw the plastic cup on the road. It makes our streets dirty. Sonu said to the little boy, it makes our streets dirty. Please put it in bin. Sonu said to the little boy, put all the plastic bags, plastic cups and put them into the dustbin. But the little boy did not listen. But the little boy did not listen. Sonu picked it up. Sonu picked the plastic bag up. Plastic cup up. He put it into the bin. After that, he put it into the dustbin. Many people saw this. Many people saw this. They clapped for Sonu. All they clapped for Sonu. What a good boy. And they gave a compliment to the Sonu. And they said, what a good boy. Sonu was a good boy. And in this story, we learned that how to keep our surroundings clean. We should collect scraps, plastic bags, and other things and put them into the dustbin. Do not throw the plastic bag scraps on the road, streets, or parks. We should collect all the litter and plastic bags and put them into the dustbin. Okay, students will read this lesson 3 or 4 times in order to get the clear meaning of this chapter. And in the next lecture, we will discuss question and answer from the exercise. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.